I'm Forrest Saunders, standing in front of the state capitol. Is the beleaguered property insurance market here in the Sunshine State ready for what some call a hyperactive hurricane season? We talked to some of the state officials to find out.
This year, it went up another 97% to 14,700.
That's Debbie Winter, one of many Floridians whose property insurance premiums continue blowing up as a potentially powerful hurricane season blows this way.
We're, to the point where we're on fixed income. And, what do you do between all the other bills that pile up on top of this?
But as homeowners pinch pennies, Florida's top insurance officials are trying to ease concerns, saying the market as a whole is now looking better these days.
So the insurance market right now in the state of Florida is better than it's been in the last 3 years.
Chief Financial Officer Jimmy Petronas there touting what he sees as recovery following waves of reform by the GOP-controlled legislature that included cutting incentives to sue insurers to trim down Florida's glut of litigation. Petronas says trends are headed the right way. Florida has 8 new companies writing policies. It's refueling a home hardening grant program that can cut rates. Plus, about half of carriers applying for rate changes this year are asking for decreases.
All these are a recipe for the environment we're seeing right now, where instead of seeing 20 to 30% rate increases, we're seeing 8 to 10% rate decreases.
Industry experts agree that the signs are positive. At the very least, they say, stabilization seems more likely. But rate changes in the short term will probably remain flat for many or continue to bump up. That's as critics hammer Republicans for not doing more drastic reform, like rate caps or increased market regulation. In a statement, Florida Democrats noted taxpayers might be on the hook for billions if the state-backed insurer of last resort, Citizens, takes a major hit. Though it's trying to shed policies and become less competitive with the private market, Citizens still holds more than 1.1 million policies as of April, an exposure of over $520 billion.
Now, Florida Democrats on Wednesday are scheduled to hold a virtual roundtable to denounce Republicans and their leadership and guidance on the insurance market, hoping that voters in 2024 will see that new leadership is needed. That's the latest out here at the state capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.